Hi, Stu Clark with TERRO. And I don't know about you, but has anybody else noticed that flies have become a problem? It just seems to me like in the last several years, there's been more and more flies in my house. I want to show you the TERRO indoor fly trap. It's got a lure in this, so we're gonna attract these flies into this trap. And it's also gonna be something that you can put around your house. It's discreet. You're gonna get 4 glue boards, very important. I've got 2 out here ready to load. You're gonna get enclosure. This is the fly trap, which is either going to, I like to use it just set up like this with 2 sides. But we also provide you with the way to wall mount this. So this, you're familiar with these command strips, adhesive on the wall. You take the trap and it simply sits like this right against the wall. Boom. Okay. So now let's get to the part about luring. This lure is low odor, not lower, it's like 0 odor, but the flies are gonna smell it. So we've got it folded properly, we've got the lure sprinkled on, and now we're gonna insert this carefully into the trap. And the other thing about this trap that's really nice is you'll notice it's black. And why is that? Because it's really provides a discreet trap so that when those flies land on it, you'll notice that you don't see the fly through the perforations in the trap. So that when it's sitting in your house, if the fly is on there, they just, in a sense, camouflage right into that black. So that's why it's discreet. So again, you carefully fold, and that's the key, careful folding of the glue board. Then you apply the lure and then carefully insert it into each half. And if you want to put in, if you want to mount one on the wall and one in a corner or both on different walls, that's fine. Or if you want to snap them together, they're designed simply to stand on its own. And you can see flies love to head near windows. We all know it. You find them dead on the windowsill all the time. Put that baby right there, I bet you that fly's in there within seconds. So yeah, that's the TERRO Discreet indoor fly trap.